Retail Management, Masters of Commerce, 4th semester, Mangalore University, Session 7. Introduction to Retail. In this session, you are going to learn about the opportunities in retailing. Learning objective to explore the opportunities in retailing. Session outcome, the students will be able to know about the successful retailers. Opportunities in retailing. They are divided into two: management opportunities and entrepreneur opportunities. Management opportunities. To cope up with highly competitive and challenging environment, retailers hire and promote people with a wide range of skills and interest. Students often view retailing as a part of marketing because managing distributions, that is place, is one of the four P's of marketing. But retailers and businesses and like manufacturers undertake all the traditional business activities. Retailers raise their capital from financial institutions, purchase goods and services, use accounting and management information systems to control their operations, manage warehouses and distribution systems, design and develop new products, and undertake marketing activities such as advertising, promotion, sales force management, and market research. Thus, retailers employ people with expertise and interest in finance, accounting, human resource management, supply chain management, and computer systems, as well as marketing. Retail managers are often given considerable responsibility early in their careers. Retail management is also financially rewarding. The college students who come out of their college as graduates enter the management trainee positions. So, after completing the management trainee program, the retail managers can double their starting salary in 3 to 5 years if they perform well. Second, entrepreneur opportunities. Retailing also provides opportunities for people who wish to start their own business. Some of the world's richest people are retailing entrepreneurs. Many are well known because their names appear over stores' doors, others you may not recognize. The life of one of the world's greatest entrepreneurs, Sam Walton. Some of the innovative retail entrepreneurs include Kishore Biyani, Jeff Bezos, Ignavar Kamprad, and many other. So first let us discuss about Kishore Biyani. Kishore Biyani was born in a middle class Marwari trading family and was not satisfied with the family business. While in college, he noticed one of his fashion conscious friend wearing trousers made out of new fabric called stonewash fabric, which looked fashionably simply, but it was different. This gave him an idea and he started selling stonewash fabric to small shops in Mumbai. It was a big success and he made his first profit. Thereafter, nothing could stop his entrepreneurial instincts and he ventured to redefine the retailing business in India with the launch of Pantaloons, Big Bazaar, Food Bazaar, Central, E-Zone, Hometown, and many more retail formats. Today, Biyani's Future Group, with over more than 300 billion turnover, is one of the country's leading business groups present in retail, asset management, consumer finance, insurance, retail, media, retail spaces, and logistics. The Future Group brings multiple product opportunities and services to its millions of customers through its stores covering 15 million square feet of retail space across 85 cities and 60 rural locations with pan India and and, employs over 35,000 people. Some of its leading retail formats include Pantaloons, Big Bazaar, Central, Food Bazaar, Hometown, eZone, Depot, Future Money, and online retail format futurebazaar.com. Second, Jeff Bezos. After his research uncovered that internet usage was growing at a 2,300% annual rate in 1994, Jeffrey Bezos, the 30-year-old son of a Cuban refugee, quit his job on Wall Street and left behind a hefty bonus to start an internet business. While his wife Mackenzie was driving their car across country, Jeff pecked out his business plan on a laptop computer. By the time they reached Seattle, he has rounded up the investment capital to launch the first internet book retailer. The company, Amazon.com, is named after the river that carries the greatest amount of water, symbolizing Bezos' objective of achieving the greatest volume of internet sales. He was one of the few .com leaders to recognize that sweating the details was critical to success. Under his leadership, Amazon developed technologies to make shopping on the internet faster, easier, and more personal than shopping in stores by the offering personalized recommendations and home pages. Amazon.com has become more than a bookstore. It is now the largest online retailer with annual sales turnover of more than 20 billion, the 3 times more sales than the second largest online retailer. Amazon also provides virtual stores and fulfillment services for many other retailers. Third one, Ingvar Kamprad. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of the Swedish-based home furnishing retailer chain IKEA, was always an entrepreneur. His first business was selling matches to neighbors from his bicycle. He discovered he discovered he could make a good profit by buying matches in bulk and selling them individually at low price. He then expanded to selling fish, Christmas tree decorations, seeds, ballpoint pens, and pencils. By the time he was 17 years of age, he had earned a reward for succeeding in school. His father gave him the money to establish what is now IKEA. Like Sam Walton, the, the founder of Walmart, Kamprad is known for his frugality. He drives an old Volvo, flies economy class, and encourages IKEA employees to write on both sides of a sheet of paper. This thriftness has translated into a corporate philosophy of cost cutting throughout IKEA so that the chain can offer quality furniture quality furniture with innovative designs at low prices. According to Forbes magazine, Kamprad is the richest person in Europe and the fourth richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of around more than $33 billion. Thank you.